Happy Saturday. It's cold, it's chilly, it rained this morning. I worked this morning up at 3 a.m. and we're heading down to Bartow. You know what that means.
Hey, welcome to Clear Springs Ranch. This will officially be our first Jeepin with Judd 2025 video because tonight we're going to do a preview of what a night ride at Jeepin with Judd is like. If you haven't got your tickets already for Jeepin with Judd, go get them. The Orlando Jeep Club does all the trails out here, and this will be our 8th year of doing trails.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Janet with the Orlando Jeep Club. I want to welcome you to our night trail ride that we're having at beautiful Clear Springs Ranch. Enjoy your ride.
See the cold front. It looks like it's mountains, but it's the cold front coming.
It is getting cold. We're using GMRS. If you're coming to Judd this year, something that's kind of important is to have a CB. When we're doing the event, there's a lot of information that you might be able to get when you have your CB. So even if it's just one of those Walmart ones, so at least you can hear. We're getting everybody lined up. This night ride is going to be stock friendly, kind of, but there's some small obstacles that we're going to go to. This may not be the exact night ride, but it'll give you a good idea of what a night ride is like. It's usually pretty cool. Should be about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45 minutes, but I'm looking forward to this.
We've been with the Orlando Jeep Club since 2018, I'm not really sure, but we were involved in Jeepin with Judd for the last 7 years. And it's a little muddy. A little more momentum.
40s are almost stock, right? Okay. Sorry, Earl. I can't speak to it because I have not gone any other night trails other than west, but I love the fun that this site has.
They would plug into USB.
Yes.
Right now, just went through a little ditch with some water.
I'm not there yet, sorry.
Western side of the range. In front of us is some of the
Hey, Will. If we get a place where, like, all the jeeps are lined up. Oh, wow. No, I did have
You're like this in the dark. This turns a really cool trail into a bit of skill because I'm having to look ahead and use the reflection off the Jeep in front of me, which you can't see, to judge where the trees are.
Don't be afraid. If we get a little bit of a gap, somebody say something.
So I hope you enjoyed this ride. I hope that encourages you to take a night ride sometime. And we'll catch you on the next trail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We appreciate that. It helps us out tremendously. And for us, we're heading to Turkey Creek next week to a small Jeep show at a church. And then it's time to get ready for Judd.
Listen, you two guys get together and you start laughing right away.
I know, there's going to be a giggle fest. We're not going to get. What am I supposed to
Welcome
be
us to the
saying?
trail ride.
Are you already on? You didn't
Yes.
click or nothing.
Go.
We'll click for him to be ready.
Before these people.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Janet with the Orlando Jeep Club. I want to welcome you to our night trail ride that we're having at beautiful Clear Springs Ranch. Enjoy your ride.